In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Zendesk tickets effectively to streamline your workflow and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Staying organized in your ticketing system is crucial for timely responses and efficient support management. And with Zendesk, you have several powerful tools at your disposal. Let's dive into these step-by-step strategies to help you master your ticket organization. First up, we're going to use views to segment your queue. Views allow you to create custom perspectives for different ticket segments, such as unassigned, high priority, or billing issues. This is a game changer because it lets you focus your attention where it's needed most. To get started on this, head over to the Admin Center, navigate to Workspaces, select Agent Tools, and then go to Views. Within these views, you can group and sort tickets based on various criteria, like grouping by priority, or sorting by the next SLA breach. This helps you quickly identify and address the most urgent tickets, keeping your response times swift and efficient. Next, let's talk about structuring your views with folders. Using a double-colon naming convention, you can create a nested folder structure. For instance, using a format like Support, Urgent, High Priority will display nested folders within your views list. It's a neat way to keep everything organized, but remember to keep your hierarchy shallow with just 2 to 3 levels for readability. This ensures that anyone accessing these views can quickly understand and navigate them without getting bogged down by an overly complex structure. Now, onto the third method, which involves using ticket fields and tags for effective categorization. Adding custom fields to your tickets is an excellent way to collect structured data. For example, you can use drop-downs labeled Issue Type to capture specific information about each ticket. This not only helps in categorizing tickets, but also in generating insightful reports for better analysis and decision-making. Tags, on the other hand, provide great flexibility for sorting and managing tickets quickly. You can tag tickets with terms like refund or VIP and leverage these tags within views and automations. Tags are versatile tools that can assist you in creating dynamic views or even trigger specific workflows, making your support process more adaptive and streamlined. Utilizing these strategies will significantly enhance how you manage your support tickets in Zendesk, ensuring that your team can provide fast, efficient, and organized support to your customers. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine, and you'll likely notice an improvement in your team's ability to prioritize and resolve customer issues. Remember, the key is to keep things organized yet simple, allowing you to deliver the best support experience possible. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.